What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and we are here today at the world-famous Crossroads Kitchen in Los Angeles. This is partly owned by the world-famous drummer Travis Barker. Now, that guy knows a thing or two about music, so I'm interested to see what he knows about vegan food. Today, I'm gonna try out a vegan Philly cheesesteak. I am a huge Philly cheesesteak guy, so I'm very interested to see what a vegan Philly cheesesteak tastes like. We got the vegan steak and the vegan cheese. Let's see how Crossroads Kitchen does Philly cheesesteaks. All right, guys, we got our vegan Philly cheesesteak right here. First impressions are, I'd be completely fooled if I saw this. Wouldn't be able to tell that it's vegan. We got a little kind of a baguette here, toasted. They do this Philly cheesesteak with mushroom soy steak, and they do their cheese with almond cheese. We got some sliced onions in here, sliced peppers. I'm looking at it right now. I'm amazed at the meltiness of the almond cheese. Looks like any Philly cheesesteak I've ever seen. I'm looking forward to this one. I'm a huge Philly cheesesteak guy, so I'm gonna be very critical on this one. This passes the appearance test, 10 out of 10. Let's see if it passes the taste test. I don't even need a second bite. This is a one-bite wonder. Damn near brought a tear to my eye. This right here, this vegan Philly cheesesteak Crossroads Kitchen is fire. I'm gonna tell you right now, this could be one of the best things I've tried in the entirety of this show. I'll put this up against any regular Philly cheesesteak I've ever tried. There's a juiciness to the mushroom steak that really sells that it's meat. The texture is identical to real steak. It's just chewy enough. It's not weird and rubbery. I mean, it feels like real steak. It feels like you're eating real steak, tastes like you're eating real steak. You got the peppers on there, and the onion, provide more kick, more flavor to it. Same with the almond cheese, it's melty. I'll be honest, sometimes some of these vegan cheese options kind of bug me, won't lie to you. The crispiness of the toasted baguette, forget about it. It's to die for. That adds a nice kind of a crispy texture. This is the best thing I've ever had on the show, I'm not kidding you. There was a lot of hype about Crossroads Kitchen coming into this. Whenever I look up the best vegan restaurants in Los Angeles, Crossroads Kitchen is always at the top of those lists. And let me tell you, this place has exceeded the hype. If the rest of their menu is anything like the vegan Philly cheesesteak, I will be a regular here. Travis Barker, tip of the cap. You know what you're doing when it comes to the vegan food. That wraps up this episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and get yourself a vegan Philly cheesesteak from Crossroads Kitchen because it will change your life. Amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. Tune in again next time. Appreciate you guys.